Pahuli-huli, minsan nauubusan.
Ang bilis na kaamoy yan.
Hi guys, we're here in the
Na mag-ano ka, video ka kasi pag pumatok daw to, gawin niyang business.
our improvised what do you call that?
Sabonera.
Sabonera in Tagalog, but I don't fucking know the English. What is that, Sars? What are you thinking?
Ano, Skyflakes Graham with Cloud9.
Wow! Our bed, room for two. Hindi na ako natutuwa. Oh, I'm dirty now. Very good.
Na kayang ikot yan.
We have one room, guys, available for booking.
Maglapot yan. Maniwala ka sa akin, ginagawa ko yan.
Ano na siguro?
Meow, meow,
Sabi ni Sars.
meow.
Akin din si...
That's here.
And paella.
What?
Saging.
The century tuna with rice.
Yayaman yun.
And ano, here the saba.
Wow.
Yeah.
The Filipino food is really good.
Yeah. Sabi ko sa'yo.
Please, can you
Hindi ka
taste?
pa ba nakatikim ng ng
Can you taste, Sarge?
masarap yan, malinamnam na matamis yan.
All purpose yan. Dalawa binili ko para bukas naman maluto naman ako. Patok talaga ito. Uulitin ko pa.
Isip niyang bilhin.
Yung baso na all-purpose, pwedeng pantabo. Pwedeng...
Uy, ano?
Our ulam, Ay! Nako, ang bigat na ng boots ko. Sino ba kasi nagsabing magmarines tayo? Oop. Guys, food is ready. Table's ready.
Vlog ka?
Ha?
Vlog ka?
Hindi.
Tatlo kami dito.
2-piece chicken, spicy, please.